to 150 in the blink of an eye. Jostling, bumping, bashing. Men and machines in combat, fighting your rivals, but fighting the elements too. The scorching heat of Malaysia, or the cold rain of France. You see a gap, an opening, but it's closed as soon as it's open. Next time. There must be a next time. Then it comes, you dive, you're through. But he's back straight away. He's good. These guys are the best. The fastest in the world. You're riding on a knife edge. The slightest mistake and you'll go down. Some will fall by the wayside, but you've got to keep going, keep pushing. The finish line is near. The glory awaits.
¡Vamos, vamos!
Thousands of fans are cheering in every corner. Keep pushing. Don't give up. Never, ever give up.